Did you know that the future of a cryptocurrency with a peak market cap of over $30 billion is currently being decided in a courtroom? Yes, we're talking about XRP. The outcome of this legal battle between the SEC and Ripple could either catapult XRP's price to new heights or see it tumble down the crypto rankings. If you're not familiar with the drama that's been unfolding, well, stick around. It's going to be worth it. We're going back to where it all started, unraveling the twists and turns and exploring the potential outcomes. The genesis of the Ripple SEC lawsuit. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, targeted Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization at the time. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging that it conducted an unregistered securities offering worth $1.3 billion, a substantial sum even in the crypto world. In simple terms, the SEC claimed that Ripple sold XRP tokens, which the SEC considered as securities without registering them as such. In the financial world, a security is a financial instrument that holds some value like stocks or bonds. Securities in the U.S. must be registered with the SEC, which Ripple hadn't done, according to the SEC. Ripple, however, didn't take this lying down. They came out swinging, defending themselves, and, of course, XRP vigorously. Ripple argued that XRP is not a security but a currency. If XRP is a currency, then it doesn't fall under the purview of the SEC, changing the whole dynamic of the lawsuit. As news of the lawsuit spread, it sent shockwaves through the crypto community. XRP, which was trading at around 0.58 on December 20th, 2020, plummeted to 0.1 by December 29th, a drop of almost 64% in just over a week. The real blow came when major exchanges started delisting XRP. Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, announced on December 28, 2020 that it would suspend trading in XRP. Other exchanges like Binance US followed suit, further isolating XRP from the crypto market. The lawsuit also had broader implications for the crypto industry. It raised questions about the regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies and the role of the SEC. The legal battle begins. On March 3, 2021, Ripple threw the first punch. They disputed the SEC's lack of fair notice, arguing that the SEC had not provided clear guidance on whether sales of XRP were illegal securities transactions. Ripple argued that they and the broader crypto industry deserved clear rules of the road. On March 8, 2021, the SEC asked for a prompt hearing. It was a clear message. They meant business. As the legal battle heated up, something interesting happened. On March 22, 2021, XRP was recognized for its currency value and utility. This was a significant development as it reinforced Ripple's argument that XRP is a currency, not a security. The turning point. Okay, so the turning point came in the spring of 2021 with Hester Peirce, affectionately known as Crypto Mom in the crypto community. On April 13, 2021, she proposed the Token Safe Harbor 2.0. Now, this wasn't just another bureaucratic document. No, it was a potential lifeline for crypto projects like Ripple. The proposal suggested a 3-year grace period for crypto companies to develop their networks and communities before having to comply with the SEC's regulatory framework. But while this was happening, the SEC was not sitting idle. They were given an extension for disclosing their crypto trading policies. On June 14, 2021, the court extended the SEC's deadline for disclosing their crypto trading policies. It was a small victory for Ripple, but a victory nonetheless. As August 31, 2021 came in, the SEC faced a deadline for disclosing their internal crypto trading policies. The clock was ticking, the pressure was mounting, and then, guess what? They missed the deadline. How could you? The crypto community held its breath as the SEC scrambled to meet the deadline, but to no avail. The battle intensifies. As the battle raged on, both sides made their initial motions for summary judgment. The SEC and Ripple presented their arguments, countered each other's claims, and fought for the upper hand. The SEC, in a surprising move, attempted to block the release of Hinman documents. Imagine being in a courtroom drama. where a surprise piece of evidence suddenly changes the course of the trial. That's exactly what happened on June 12, 2023, when the Hinman documents were disclosed and released publicly. These documents, named after William Hinman, the former director of the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance, were a potential game-changer for Ripple. The Hinman documents contained insights into the SEC's stance on cryptocurrencies, which Ripple argued were crucial for their defense. But getting to this point was no easy task. Ripple had to fight tooth and nail to get these documents released, facing opposition from the SEC every step of the way. When the court ruled in favor of Ripple, it was a big victory, turning the tide in Ripple's favor. The release of the Hinman documents not only bolstered Ripple's defense, but also shed light on the SEC's approach to cryptocurrencies. The appeal and its aftermath. Just when you thought the drama couldn't get any more intense, the SEC filed an appeal request on August 15, 2023. Yeah, adding another layer of complexity to the legal battle. The SEC wasn't going down without a fight, and Ripple had to brace themselves for the next round. But in a surprising turn of events, Judge Torres literally rejected the SEC's petition for an interlocutory appeal on October 3, 2023. The rejection of the appeal was a significant setback for the SEC and, again, a major victory for Ripple. In the aftermath of the appeal, Ripple's operations in Singapore were granted permission on October 4, 2023. This was a major development, signaling a potential shift in the global stance towards Ripple and XRP. The trading volume of XRP almost doubled, reflecting the positive sentiment in the market. The current situation. Okay, let's fast forward to February 27, 2024. The SEC requested a change in briefing deadlines. The agency's opening brief was due on March 22, 2024. With Ripple's opposition brief due on April 22, 2024, and the SEC's reply brief due on May 6, 2024. However, despite the legal setbacks, the SEC continued to fight. On March 25, 2024, they submitted a request for judgment, seeking close to $2 billion in fines from Ripple. Yes, you heard that right, $2 billion. Ripple, however, was not intimidated. On April 22, 2024, they submitted their opposition, objecting to the SEC's plea for close to $2 billion in fines. They offered to pay a $10 million fine instead. It was like a game of poker, with Ripple calling the SEC's bluff. In the days following Ripple's opposition, a meeting was scheduled to discuss any confidential information in Ripple's materials. If any such information was found, a public redacted version of Ripple's opposition brief would be submitted. By May 6, 2024, the SEC was expected to file its response brief under seal. After a meeting to address redactions, a redacted version of the response brief and any non-confidential supporting exhibits would be submitted publicly. So we all are waiting for the final act of a play, with the audience on the edge of their seats. As these events unfolded, the price of XRP reflected the mood of the market. It was a roller coaster ride, with prices going up and down in response to each new development in the case. Let's just say, investors were glued to their screens, watching the drama unfold, their fortunes tied to the outcome of the lawsuit. Potential outcomes? As we look ahead, the question on everyone's mind is, what's next? What are the potential outcomes of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit? Well, one possible outcome is that Ripple and the SEC reach a settlement. This could involve Ripple paying a fine and agreeing to certain conditions regarding the sale and distribution of XRP. Another possibility is that the court rules in favor of the SEC, classifying XRP as a security. This could have serious implications for Ripple and XRP. It would mean that XRP would be subject to the same regulations as traditional securities, potentially limiting its use and utility. But the court could rule in favor of Ripple, affirming that XRP is a currency, not a security. This would be a major victory for Ripple and could pave the way for a resurgence of XRP. I mean, really high returns. Whatever the outcome is, we can all agree that the future of XRP hangs in the balance. The SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit is more than just a legal battle. It's a fight for the future of cryptocurrencies. And as we continue to watch this drama unfold, we can only speculate about what the future holds. And with that, let's end today's video. So, what do you think about the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit? How do you think it will end? And what do you think will be the impact on XRP and the broader crypto market? Do you own XRPs? Drop your comments below. And if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover, let us know that too. We'll make sure to make a video on that. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on top 5 XRP wallets and exchanges, pros, cons, and user reviews. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.